Hey, I'm Scott from Team McKinley. Today I'm going to show you why not all water is the same. Rainwater may be good for trees and bushes, but not so much for humans due to its lack of minerals. Nonetheless, it's very important you drink plenty of water when hiking. Here is some advice. Lemonade, fruit juice, energy drinks are no alternatives for drinking water. It's good to drink about a cup every half an hour, even if you're not thirsty. It is recommended to drink a minimum of 4 liters a day on challenging hikes, in hot weather conditions, and on mountain hikes. And if you're lucky enough to bump into a river with clean drinking water, fill up your bottle. Nothing tastes better. Have fun in the great outdoors. Until next time.